conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Yeah. So, what is the topic that we discussed in the previous session? What did
Forms,
we discuss?
applying forms.
We discussed about creating different types of fields,
Fields.
right? So, we created a single line of text, option set, multi option select, currency, date, time, etc. And we have seen how we can add a claim entity and a product entity on this particular sales trail app. Okay. And yesterday we created these two records in the claim entity. Okay. So these are the fields which we created. Okay. So today's topic is on views. Okay. In CRM, there is a concept called view. Okay. Under an entity, we have an option called view, and we will discuss about the views in today's session. Okay, so I will take the questions in the last. Okay, at the last. Okay, yeah. So today's topic is control. Yeah, right. Today's topic is views. Okay, so what are the views, and what is the importance of the views, where we can use this views? Okay, see, let's say you have a data, you have a table, and inside the table you have a number of records like 1,000 records or 10,000 records or something like that. Okay, and you wanted to apply some filters onto that particular data, and you also wanted to show the specific data in columns. Okay, so let's say you have a table. In that table, you have a number of records. You wanted to write some, you wanted to apply some filters on that particular data, and you wanted to show that data to the user. Okay, in a table format, and that table should have the columns. Okay, so I'll give you one example. Okay, let's go back to the claim. So now how many claims you have? Two claims. Okay, let's create few more claims. Claim number. Okay, defect type, expired, date of purchase yesterday, product, cost of the product, let's say 7,000. Okay, so I just wanted to create few records. Claim number, type of defect, date of purchase, product, cost of the product 8,000. Cost. Okay, so let's say you have these many claims. Okay, let's say you have 100 claims or 1,000 claims. Okay, now you wanted to apply some filter on this particular table, on this particular records, and you wanted to show the data. Let's say you have a requirement like this. I wanted to show, I wanted to show the claims. I wanted to show the claims where the cost of the product is greater than 5,000. Okay, so I have a requirement. Right now, you are able to see all the claims, correct or not? I can see all the claims, but I do not want to show all the claims. My requirement is I want to show the claims which are greater than the cost of the product is greater than 5,000. Okay, whichever the claim, the cost of the product is greater than 5,000, that claim record I wanted to show. Okay, all the claim records where the cost of the product is greater than 5,000, I wanted to show them. Similarly, like this only. Okay, that is my requirement. Okay, we will implement that requirement. Right now, you are able to see one view. This is also a view. See, this is active claims view. So this will show all the active claims. Okay, so if you can click on the filter, edit filters, you can see the filter which we added. See, status equal to active. So this filter or this view will use this filter status equal to active, which means that it will only show the active claims. Let's say if I make any record inactive, let's say I am selecting two claims. How many claims we have total? 5. In that I am selecting two claims. I am making them inactive. So let's make them inactive. See how many claims that you are seeing now? How many claims that you are seeing now?
3.
3. Why are you only able to see 3 claims?
These
Previously,
are active. The previously is
so
5.
correct. So the filter or the view that we selected is active claims. Okay. So this active claims will only show the claims which are having the status as active. If it is inactive, it will not show. Let's say if I go to inactive, you can see the inactive claims. Okay, so these are the views actually. This is active view and this is inactive view. Active view will show the active claims. Inactive view will show the inactive claims. When I open this, you can see that the status of this particular record is inactive. That is why it is showing under inactive claims. Okay, now let's say I'm making it active. So when I'm making it active, you will not be seeing under inactive claims because the status is active. Now you can see those two records as well. Okay, so these are the views. Okay, there are two views by default, active and inactive. Okay, now see active views, how many columns it is showing up right now? This is active claim view, and this view is showing how many fields or how many columns in the view. How many columns we have?
2 columns.
Two columns, claim number and created on.
Creative.
Okay, see, I do not want to show created on. Instead, I wanted to show, let's say, cost of the product and the type of the defect. Okay, so now what is my requirement? I have an active claim view. In that view, we only have two columns, claim number and created on field. Now I wanted to show type of the defect and also the cost of the product as a column. Okay, I wanted to add two columns into this particular view and I wanted to remove created on. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Okay, so as I said earlier, if you want to make any customizations, you can't customize it here. You need to go back to the entity and from there you can customize. You need to go back to the solution. Inside the solution entity, open the entity, expand the views and modify there. Okay, so first you need to open the customization page. Okay, so first copy the URL. Okay, and open the customizations page. Settings only true. Okay, settings only true. This you need to add in the URL. Okay, let it open. Okay, and you need to go to settings Solutions. What is the solution that we created yesterday? Walmart CRM components. Let's open this Walmart, and we have expand. We have a claim entity here. Expand claim entity. When I expand the claim entity, you can see an option called views. Let's click on this view. So when I click on this view, I can see six different types of views, six views. And I can see active claims view, and I can also see inactive claims view. We already have seen active claims view will show the active claims, status equal to active. Inactive claims will show the claims where the status equal to inactive. Okay, now my requirement is I wanted to add type of the defect and the cost of the product into active claims view. And I wanted to delete or remove this created on field. Okay, so first open this active claims view. Okay, remove this particular created on. Select this created on, remove. So now I am removing this particular field. Now I wanted to add two more columns. Okay, type of the defect and cost of the product. So now here you can see add columns. Click on add columns. Okay, so now here you have cost of the product and the type of the cost of the product and type of defect, last one. Okay, so now I wanted to add these two columns. So it is showing all the fields inside the claim entity. Whichever the field that you wanted to add, you can select them. Okay, so let's click on OK. So now I added two fields, cost of the product, type of the defect. See, cost of the product name is not showing up properly. No, you can also increase the width. How can you increase the width? You can select this or you can double click on it. When you double click on it, it will show the width. You can increase it to 150 or 200. It's up to you. See, now it got increased. Now I added two columns, cost of the product, type of the defect, and I removed created on. Okay. So now let's click on save and close. Now I modified the view, right? So if you modify the view, first you need to save the view and then you need to publish the entity. So you cannot directly publish the view. Okay. So instead you have to publish the entity. Okay. So now you need to click on this particular entity, click on the entity, and you need to save the entity and publish the entity. So whenever you modify the view, you need to save the view and then you need to publish the entity. Otherwise, the changes will not get reflected. Okay, now the publish is done. Let's go back to the entity. So this is our entity. Okay, so let's refresh and see if the changes are coming or not. Now I just refreshed it since we published it. Okay, now are you able to see the columns? See here, it is cost of the product, type of the defect, and we removed created on. See, this is how you have to this is how you have to add the columns, or you can also remove the columns from the view. Let's say you have a requirement. What is your requirement? I only wanted to show the claims where the cost of the product is greater than uh, greater than 5,000. Okay, so I have a requirement. What is my requirement? I just wanted to show I just wanted to show the claims where the cost of the product is greater than 5,000. So right now, how many claims are there where the cost is greater than 5,000? Cost of the product is greater than 5,000. How many are there? How many claims are there?
Total 5.
Total 5. How many claims where the cost of product is greater than 5,000?
3.
3. See, this claim has cost of the product is 10,000. This claim cost of the product is 8,000. This claim cost of the product is 7,000. This one it is 500. This one it is 700. So it is less than 5,000. So I do not want to show these two, but I only wanted to show these three. So that is my requirement. So my requirement is I wanted to show the claims where the cost of the product is greater than 5,000. Okay. So I do not have a view right now. So now I am going to create a new view, and in that view, I can add the filter like cost of the product is greater than 5,000. Okay. So let's go back to the customizations again. See, I am under solution right now. If you want to make changes, you need to come back here, click on the views. Okay, so there is no view right now which is showing the claims which are greater than, and the cost of the product is greater than 5,000. So now I am going to create a new view. Okay, so click on new. I am creating new view. What is the name of the view? Claims cost of product is greater than 5,000. This is my name. This is my name of the view. Okay, so claims cost of the product is greater than 5,000. Okay, this is the name of the view. Okay, so like we have active claims and we have inactive claims, right? Similarly, so click on OK. So claims cost of the product is greater than 5,000. Okay, so this is my view. So in this view, I wanted to add the columns, claim number, add columns. I wanted to show the cost of the product and type of the product, sorry, type of the defect. And I also wanted to show the product. What is the product that they bought? Okay, that's all. So let's click on OK. So these are the three columns that I added: cost of the product and product which I bought, type of the product. So it is not showing up properly. So you can double click on it and increase the width to 150. Now it is showing properly. Now here you need to apply the filter condition. What is the filter condition that we need to apply? Claims cost should be greater than 5,000. This is our filter condition, right? I do not want to show all the claims. I only wanted to show the claims which are greater than, the cost is greater than 5,000. So you need to add one filter here. Okay. If you want to add a filter, you need to click on edit filter criteria. So there is an option here, edit filter criteria. Click on this. So here I wanted to add the filter based on the cost of the product. Okay. Based on the field called cost of the product, I have to write the filter. So select cost of the product. So it is not equal to, it is greater than. Okay, it is greater than or equal to, it is greater than or equal to 5,000. So I am applying this particular condition. So I am applying this particular condition. Cost of the product is greater than or equal to 5,000. Then only the record will be shown in this view. Okay. You can also add multiple conditions. You can also add multiple conditions if you want, like type of the defect. Type of the defect equals to, let's say it is damaged. Okay, you can also add multiple conditions. Okay, and you can also add end condition or condition. You can select this, select row, and you can group, or you can use group and. Group or means if any one of the conditions satisfies, it will show the record. Group end means both should satisfy. Okay, cost of the product is greater than 5,000. If this condition satisfies, it will show. Or type of the defect, if it is equal to damaged, it will show. So any one of the condition, if it is satisfied, then in the or condition, the record will be shown. If it is end condition, if it is end means both should satisfy. Cost of the product should be greater than 5,000. Type of the defect should be damaged. Okay, so this is how you can add multiple conditions. Okay, first ungroup. I do not want to add multiple conditions right now. So cost of the product is greater than 5,000. So let's click on OK. Now I added 3 columns and I also added one filter criteria. Okay, so let's click on save and close. And now I saved the view. We also need to publish the entity. Okay, let's publish the entity, claim, save, publish. Okay, now it is done. Let's refresh the page. Let's refresh the page and see. Now publish is done. So let's expand. Still it is not coming. Let's refresh one more time. Sometimes it will take some time to show up. Okay, so let's go back and publish again. Okay, we published again. Let's refresh. Okay, so even though we added our view, it is not showing up here. Okay, there might be one reason. There might be one reason. What could be the reason? See, we are under which model driven app? We are under sales trail model driven app, right? We created a view, but that view might not be added onto this particular sales trail app. Okay, so we are under sales trail app view, model driven app view, right? We added the view, that is fine. But if that view is not under this particular sales trail app, it will not be shown. So let's go back to this particular model driven app and check if that particular view is added into this particular sales trail app or not. Okay, yeah, so let's go back to this particular model driven app. Click on three dots, open in app designer. Now I am going to sales trail model driven app. Okay, so let's click on that particular claim. See here you have claims. Click on the view, claim view. So expand this. See, you can see three views in this app. In this app, how many views are there? Three views. See, active claim, claims, cost of the product is greater than 5,000, and inactive claim. So it is already added. Because of some reason, I think it is because of the refresh issue or something like that, it is not showing. So I'm publishing from here as well. Let's publish it. The view is already there in the app. See, you can see in this view, in this app, we have three views: active claims, this view, and inactive claims. And out of this, see, there are a lot of views in this app. Okay, all are added into this app only. Okay, so there is no issue. So it should show. I think it is taking some time to reflect. Okay, let's refresh. claims. See, now you are able to see that particular view. Let's click on that view. So how many claims are showing right now? How many claims are showing right now?
Three.
Okay, why is it only showing the 3 claims?
Uh, the cost of production is greater than 5,000.
Correct. So we added a filter condition, that is cost of the product is greater than 5,000. So for these 3 claims, the cost of the product is greater than 5,000. That is why it is showing. We have total of 5 claims. We have 5 claims, but these 2 of the claims has the cost of the product is less than 5,000. That is why they are not showing up. They are not showing up in this particular view. If you want to know what is the filter which this view is having, you can click on the filter, edit filters. If you can click on edit filters, you can see the condition that we added. Cost of the product is greater than or equal to 5,000. See, if you want to modify the columns here, you can click on edit columns. If you want to remove the product, you can remove. Select, remove. Select, remove. Okay, you can click on apply. See, you can only see 2 columns, but this is temporary. Okay, if I refresh the page again, all the columns will be shown. The 4 columns will be shown. See, now you can see all the 4 columns. Okay, whatever you are doing here, edit columns or edit filters, that is for that. Uh, that is not permanent. Okay, that is temporary columns that you are adding. That is temporary filters that you are adding. Okay, when you refresh the page, it will remove. But if you want to make permanent changes, let's say if you want to delete or if you want to remove this product from this view, you cannot do it from here. You have to go back to the solution entity and remove the column. Okay, so that is how you can modify a view. You can add a column to a view, and you can create a new view, and you can also add filters to the existing view. Okay, so and by default we have few views. Okay, Microsoft has given few views. We will discuss about them. See, we discussed about the active claim, we discussed about the inactive claim, and we also know about this particular view we just created. Okay, claims cost of the product is greater than 5,000. That is, we created it. Okay, so other than this, we have few more views. Okay, if you can see, there is one view. This is advanced find view. Claim advanced find view. So what is the importance of this particular view? What is the name of it? Claim advanced find view. So what is the importance of this? See, you have a you have a area called advanced find in CRM. There is one area that is called advanced find, where you can see, in the advanced find, where you can see all the entities there, all the record information there. Okay, I'll show you. So you need to go to settings. See, you are under settings. See, there is an option called filter icon. There is a filter icon here. This we will call it as advanced find. Okay, this we will call it as advanced find. Let's click on advanced find. When I click on advanced find, this page will open, and here I have an option to filter any record. See, now account entity is selected. When I click on result, it will show all the account records. So if I want to see contact records, I can also see contact records. Select contact entity, result. See, I'm able to see contact records. If I want to see the employee records, that is also possible. Employee records, result. See, you name any entity, that entity records will be available here. Okay, you can see all the entity records here in advanced find. Let's say if I want to see claim entity records, I can select claims. Claim entity, look for claim, click on result. See, there are 5 claims right now. See, 5 claims. So here, when I select a when I select a claim, when I click on result, it is showing the claim records. And what are the columns that it is showing? It is showing claim number and a created on. So what is this particular view? This is also one of the view, right? This view has 2 columns, claim number and created on, right? So what is this particular view? This view is called advanced find view. See here you have advanced find view, right? So this can be shown under advanced find. Let's say you are able to see claim number and created on right now, right? I also wanted to show cost of the product. If you want to show cost of the product in advanced find, this is advanced find. Then you need to go back to this particular view, advanced find view, double click on it. Right now it is only having 2 columns, claim number, created on. Let's add one more column, cost of the product. Add it. Now I added one more column. Let's click on save and close. I'll show you this cost of product also will come there. Click on claim entity and you need to publish it because we made the changes. Okay, let's go back to advanced find. This is our advanced find. Let's refresh it since we published the changes. Okay, let's go for claim entity result. See now you have cost of the product, the column got added. You have created on, you have claim number. Okay, so this is how you can modify the advanced find view. So this advanced find view can be shown under advanced find. The name itself it is saying this is specific to advanced find. Okay, you also have associated view. What is the use of this associated view? Okay, what is the use of associated view? See, we have a lookup, right? See here, when I open any, this is one claim, right? This claim has one product. So this is product, right? What is the product? Dining table. So if I go to this particular product, so you can see so this product is dining table. So if I want to see how many claims are associated to this particular product, okay, so I wanted to know how many claims are associated to this particular product called dining table. So I am under product. Okay, you can go to related. When I select claims, I can see one claim is associated. Okay, one claim is associated to this particular product. Okay, so the view which is showing up here, see what is this view? Claim associated view. See, now you are in which entity? I am in product entity and I wanted to know the claims information. I am on parent entity and I wanted to see the childs. I am on product entity. I wanted to know how many claims are associated to this particular product. So when I click on claims, it is showing the claim details. Under which view? Associated view. Okay, so this is claim associated view. See now here also you can see claim number and created on. Let's say if you want to make any changes to this particular view, associated view, you need to go back to the solution. Okay, so here you have associated view. Double click on the associated view. Let's say I do not want to show created on, remove. I wanted to show type of the product. Add column, type of the defect. Okay, so let's click on save and close. Now I am modifying associated view. So let's click on claim. Let's click on save, publish. Okay, so let's minimize. Now refresh. Right now you can see claim number and created on. After refresh, this created on will be removed. Okay, let's click on related claims. See, created on gone, type of the defect came. So if you want to make any changes, you need to go to this particular view, claim associated view. Okay, associated views can be used, can be seen in parent entities. Let's say if you are referring this particular claim entity on any of the other entity, so you can see the claim information under associated view. Okay, this is associated view. So what is next that we have? So we have seen advanced find view, we have seen associated view, and we have lookup view. Okay, so we have lookup view. Okay, I don't think we have lookup, claim lookup anywhere. Okay, I can see. So here lookup view, and here also you have a lookup view. So this is product entity, right?
Production.
So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so this is product entity, right? On product also you have the same number of views. So when I click on the view, you can see same number of views. Here also you can have lookup view. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the lookup view. Okay, so we created a field called lookup, right? Product lookup on claim entity. Okay, what I'm saying, when you go to claims, when I open any claim, you can see a field called product, and this is of which type? What is the data type of this particular field? It is lookup. Okay, it is showing the list of products. It is showing the list of products, right? So here also you can see the records in a particular view. So when I click on advanced, it will show the records in a particular view. See, product lookup view, product lookup view. So here you can see name and created on. Okay, this is also one type of view, and which is specific to product lookup view. So if you want to make any changes to this particular view, where you have to do, you need to go to product lookup view. So let's see, you have product lookup view. You can double click on it. See, it has name and created on. I do not want to show created on. Instead, I wanted to show owner, owner of the product. Okay, let's add owner, name of the product and owner. Save and close. Product, save, publish. Okay. Okay, so now when you refresh this particular page, now you can see the changes. Okay, come back. So now the product, let's click on advanced. See, now you can see owner. Previously we have seen created on. So this is lookup view. Okay, so we created a lookup of product. So product details will be shown under lookup view. Okay, product is which type? Data type lookup. So lookup, in the lookup, if you want to select the record, the records will be shown by using lookup view. Okay, in lookup only we have lookup view. So when I click on this search, it will show the records. When you click on advanced, the records will be shown under lookup view. Okay, so this is lookup view. And we have last type, that is quick find view, I guess. Yeah, so we have last type. So you know about the public view, right? So inactive is a public view, active is a public view, and the view that I created is a public view. Okay, so all the views that you are creating, or this active and inactive, will come under public views. Okay, no specific, uh, I mean, it will be shown to everyone. Okay, there is no specific reason like where you are going to use it. It will be shown everywhere. Okay, so what is the last type? This is the last type is quick find view. Okay, quick find view. This view is uh, interesting. Okay, so it has a specific purpose. Quick find view, I'll show you. Okay, so let's go back to the claims. Let's click on the claims. So how many claims are showing up right now? 5 claims, right? Let's say this is claim number, right? This is claim number. Let's say I wanted to filter these claims. I wanted to filter these claims based on the claim number. Okay, so see the claim number is there. So if I enter like, so this is 32345. Okay, so if I enter like C32345, see claim is coming. Yes or no? I can get the claim by claim number. And let's say if I want to get this one, C74, if I type it like C74, see it is giving the claim. Okay, now I am able to find the claim based on the claim number. Let's say I also wanted to find the claim based on the cost of the product. See, if I enter cost of the product as 10,000, claim should come. If I enter cost of the product is 7,000, claim should come. Let's say if I enter the claim cost of the product is 10,000. Okay, if I enter 10,000, enter. Do we have any claim which is coming as a result?
No.
Is it showing? No. Why is it not showing? See, when I enter the claim number, it is coming. But when I filter based on the cost of the product, it is not coming. Why? Because the filtering part is only based on the, it is happening only based on the claim number. By default by default in all the entities, the filter, I mean, when you are searching for something based on the name, it will work. But if you are trying to search based on other fields, it will not work because that field is not configured for the search. See, claim number is enabled for the search. Okay, but cost of the product is not enabled for the search. That is why if I enter the cost of the product is 10,000, nothing is showing up. Okay, so let's say you also wanted to filter the claims based on the cost of the product. Then what you have to do? You need to go to this particular view, quick find view. You need to go to this particular view, open this particular view, and here, see here, there is an option called add find columns. Add find columns. Click on this. When I click on this, which field is enabled for the search? Find columns. Under find columns, which field is enabled?
Claim
Claim
number.
number only. Only claim number is enabled. No other field is added here. So let's add cost of the product. I am also adding cost of the product. So when I enter the cost of the product in the search, it will also filter. Okay. So yeah, under add find columns, I added cost of the product. So let's click OK, save and close. Okay. So let's click on claim. We need to publish the changes now. Save, publish. Okay, now this is done. Just refresh this particular page since we published it. Okay, Now let's try to enter the cost of the product as 10,000. Previously nothing was shown. Let's see if we have any entry. See, now if I enter cost of the product as 10,000, it is showing up. If I enter the cost of the product as 700, see, it is showing. If I enter as 500, it is showing. And if I enter with the claim number, it will also show. C32, it is showing. C74, it will show. See? So it is filter is working on two columns. It is filtering based on two columns, claim number and cost of the product. And this was configured in which view? Quick find view.
Fine.
Quick find. Okay, this is quick find. Okay, so that's all we have on the views. Okay, it is straightforward and you no need to write any code. It is just a configuration. Okay, and it is very simple. Okay, so with this, I'll just pause it here for today. Okay, in tomorrow's class, we will discuss about the forms, different types of forms that we have in CRM. Okay, today we discussed about the views. Tomorrow, it will be on the forms. Okay, so mostly tomorrow, I'll tell you, mostly at this hour, you will not be able to, will not have class at this hour at 11:30. Mostly it would be around 3:30. Okay, I'll inform. Okay,
Okay,
but
sir. Okay.
yeah, only on Fridays. Okay, only on Fridays. You will not be having a class on or at 11:30. Okay,
Okay.
so mostly we will connect at 3:30. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, with this, I'll just pause it here for today. So, in case if you have any open questions, you can raise. I think someone asked one question, right? Like
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's me.
Dattu, Dattu. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Dattu, you can share your screen and show me what is the issue. I gave you the permission.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 second.
Hmm.
Sir, yesterday I created the fields.
Huh?
Sir,
Okay.
is it visible, sir?
Yes.
The claim number I have created it. Like this message is getting.
No. Okay. Fine.
And while adding to the forms,
Huh?
it is not displaying over here.
Yeah. Show me.
One second. Here, sir. The claim number is not displaying here.
Hmm?
The
I'm
claim,
not able to. I'm not able to see your screen. It got stuck, I guess. Can you reshare it again?
it's already
Reshare. Reshare. Yeah.
once. Sir, can you now?
Yeah. I can.
This the solution I created
Hmm.
and entity Walmart claims.
No, you need to share your complete screen. I think you are only sharing the particular tab.
Is it, sir? Is it now?
Yeah, yeah. When you are sharing it, right, you need to select. You need to
Maximum.
select the entire screen.
Okay, okay. Is it visible, sir? Now?
No, reshare it and select entire screen when you are resharing.
Mm,
Yeah, now I can see. I can see now. Ah, okay, now it lost. I can. Yeah, I can.
yes, sir. This is the solution. I have
Hmm.
created it. And this is the
Hmm.
entity.
Hmm.
In this, I have created fields.
Ah, I saw the field. Yeah. What is the
Uh,
issue?
in the forms,
Hmm.
going to forms, the main claim ID.
Claim
We have
ID.
created claim ID.
You created claim
Claim
idea.
number, claim number.
Claim number is not
Uh,
showing up here.
yes, sir.
What is the name that you gave? I think name is the claim number, right?
Yes, yes.
Name is there, no? Name field. Come down. Click on fields. See, claim number. Go up.
Once
Go up.
here it
Up. Up.
is.
Claim number. What is the display name? Claim number, na?
Yes, yes.
What happened? Why the error is coming? Close. So you created a field called claim number. Double click again. Okay, there is some issue with this particular field, I guess.
The I have created the 2 to 3 times. I have deleted this, and I have created
Delete,
2 to 3 times.
delete, delete. Record is wait. Request was not found. Yeah. Okay. See, check if that field is already there or not.
Uh,
It is there, no?
but
Okay.
this is also
Select,
not displaying.
select, select, and more actions. More actions. Show dependencies. I think it might be added on the form or what. No, it is not there. Okay. Delete again. There is some issue with this particular field. It is not allowing us to delete, I guess. Let's wait. Wait. Deleted, check.
Yes, yes, sir.
Check.
It's not there.
Okay. Now recreate. Hmm. Yeah, calm down. It should be single line of text only, no?
Yes.
Hmm. You can click on save and close. Yeah. You need to, yeah, go to the form again and see if you are able to see that.
No.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Click on that checkbox on the top.
This one, sir. Only
Uh,
on
uh,
this
uh,
one.
Go up and check
This
claim
one, this
number,
one.
claim status. Okay, do one thing. Close this and publish the entity. No, do not click on publish all customizations. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
you need to publish that specific entity only. Okay, when you click on that Walmart claim,
Huh.
it will show the publish option for that particular entity. If you do publish all, no, so it will publish all the entities.
Okay.
So it will take a lot of time and you shouldn't do that.
Okay, sir. For next time, I won't do it.
No problem. I mean, I'm just telling you in real time.
Okay, okay.
Let's wait. Done now? Publish done?
Here I need to publish.
You no need to. No, no, no. You no need to publish again.
Okay,
Okay. Go to form. Because when you do publish all, it will publish this entity as well.
okay, okay. No, sir. It won't reflect it.
Um, go- okay. Maximize.
Sir,
Uh,
and also one more doubt is, if I click only show unused fields, if I
hmm.
select it to drag down to here, the
Hmm.
same field is displaying here also.
When you uncheck it, it will show.
Okay,
When
okay,
you
okay.
check it, it will not.
For
Okay.
example,
I
here
think
claim
there
status
is.
is there.
Claim status. Because you added that in the header, no?
Okay, okay. If we select in the header or body, it won't react. Okay,
No, if you add it in the body, it will not show. Claim status is in the header, na? So that is why it is showing, even though if you check it.
okay, okay. Yes, yes,
If
yes.
you
Got it.
add that claim status under the body, it will not show when
Okay, okay,
you check it. Okay.
okay.
But this one, right? I think there is some issue with the instance, I guess. Okay, do one thing. Can you try creating another field?
Can I create from here new field?
You can. Just
The same.
like uh, number like that. Mm. Yeah, single line of text. Come down. Yeah, that is fine. Save and close. So immediately it will not show.
Mm.
Yeah, click on new field now. No, no, no need to publish actually.
Publish, no need publish. Okay.
Uh, okay, click on new field again. Okay, just yeah, close this window. New window. Now it will show. It should show number. Is it showing?
No, sir.
Again, click on new field and wait for some time. Now close it and check if name is there or not.
Number. We have created number.
Number, sorry. Check if it is there or not. Number.
No.
Uncheck that above field, above option. Yeah, check now. Okay, looks like there is some issue with this trial instance.
Huh.
Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. What you'll do, you'll close all the tabs. Okay, you'll close all the tabs. Leave everything. Close.
This also.
Wait. Don't close. If you close this, your meeting also
Yes, yes.
you close. Okay, so close all the CRM tabs. Okay, do one thing. Open incognito mode. So here log into CRM. Not like that. You need to
Ah,
paste the URL, CRM URL.
or
Do you have CRM URL?
sir,
Do you have CRM URL? CRM URL.
the same thing. The Power Apps through Power Apps, I am opening it.
Okay, copy. You need to bookmark that, okay? So you cannot, I mean, if you have that URL, no, you no need to go back to Power Apps again.
Okay, okay. Mm.
No, not from here. Type admin, enter. Environments. Yeah, yeah. Click on the environment URL. Mm. So you can bookmark this.
Okay.
So you no need to go back to their sales trail. Now check, go back to the solution and check. Are you able to go back there from here?
No, sir.
Create now. Create the same field. It should throw
Number.
an
Ah?
error. Uh, save and close. Duplicate, which is saying, I think it is there. The field is
Yes.
there, but it is not showing up here.
Ah, sir. Yesterday
Click.
also the same. I have created the claim number.
Mm,
Uh, the same pop-up is showing duplicate.
okay. Okay, fine. Close this and in the filter, all fields is there, no?
I
Uh,
have customized fields
custom.
also separate.
Okay. So, okay. I'm not sure whether we have a problem with this form or not. Okay, do one thing. Close this and create another form. Click on the forms. Yeah, close. Hmm. Click on new main form. Uh,
One
new main form. Yeah. Here is it showing. See.
No.
What is the problem? I don't understand. Because this is not our problem actually. Okay.
Correct. Correct. Yes, sir. Sir, should I delete the solution? Can I create one more
No, no need to delete the solution. You can delete the entity for now.
entity?
This claim entity delete. Or you can keep it like this and you can create another entity with a different name.
Okay.
No need to delete, but check if it is happening for product as well. Go to the forms, open the form, and so create another one field called
Number
product
save
type. Product
product.
type or something like. Yeah, option set. Product type, uh, food. You can keep it like food. Another one. You can leave it. Mm, food, furniture, etc. Okay, fine. These two are fine. Enough. Save and close and check if it is reflecting or not. Mm, 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 mm. Wait. I think it should show now. Let's see. Wait. Now close and check. Here it is
Perfect.
showing. Hmm?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I
Yeah.
think there might be an issue with that entity. So you
So the
leave.
other things also, for example, in Walmart,
Mm,
I have created their remaining fields.
mm.
Those are showing.
There might be something was broken in that entity.
Okay.
Okay, so that is why it is not showing. We it is not our problem actually. So leave it. You will not get this kind of issues when you have a licensed environment. Okay.
Okay.
So since it is a trial, but we can't ask anyone to fix it. So they will
Okay.
suggest you to create another one.
Okay. Sir, what should I do, sir?
Create
First,
another entity.
can I create identity?
Mm. You can
Okay.
leave this particular entity, okay,
Uh,
as it is, and you can create another entity and rename it to just a claim. So right now it
okay.
is you gave the name as Walmart claim, right? You just give it
Yes,
like
yes.
claim, something like that.
That also I have done first only. Later I have deleted that
You
and
can also delete. But
okay.
if you have a reference, right, you also need to fix the references first. Select that entity and show dependencies. Show dependencies on the top. Yeah. First you need to fix. Okay, you have a lot of dependencies.
Hmm.
Leave
These
this
are all created
entity as
by
it
my
is.
email, sir.
No,
Okay, okay.
internally
Someone.
it will also have references. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So just leave this entity, give another name, create another entity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't use this entity.
Hmm. Can I create now, sir, or later?
Later. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay then. Let
Okay.
me know in case if that doesn't work for you. We'll see. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.